In Power BI, there's no built-in message box function, but by using a couple of elements and text fields, we can copy the appearance and functionality of the classic Windows message box. To do this, first and foremost, we need to declare the size of the message box. The easiest way to find the right size is by writing the text content first and adjust the size of the message box so it fits. We add a text box with the background color white and a 1 pixel border in the color of light gray. This marks the outer border of the message box. After that, we add the gray title box at the top. This box must be 1 pixel smaller at each side compared to the white text box and be placed right on top of the white box. To place it accurately, use the Position tab. At the end, we will lock all the elements so they will stay at place. We duplicate the gray box and adjust the dimensions a bit. I prefer the bottom gray box to be a bit larger than the top title box. After that, we position it rightly on top of the white box. To add a title to our box, we add a new text field and position it rightly. By using Sergio UI, we use the same font as the normal Windows message box. Next, we add decision buttons. In this case, a yes and a no button. Using the right colors and fonts are vital here to get the right feeling. Besides using Sergio UI as font, I like to add both hover over and click effects to my buttons to simulate Windows effects. After adding the button effect, we need to adjust the border color to match the classic Windows button color. Then we duplicate the button and rename it No, as the settings are similar for the button number 2. Lastly, we add a close button by adding a royalty-free image of a close icon, which is placed in the upper right corner. Now the message box is done, but we need to combine all the elements into one and create actions for each button. In the Selection tab, we can group all the elements into one. This means that the elements will be locked together. Now we can treat the message box as one element. To make the close icon work, we open the Bookmarks bar and add 2 pages, one where the message box is shown and one where it is hidden. After doing that, we need to add an action to our close icon image. As we want the yes and no button to direct our user to a yes page and a no page, we create these pages. Finally, we need to assign actions to the buttons. We do that by pressing each button, activate action, and select which page each button should direct us to. Now we have a fully functional message box that can be used in any way you would like to.